Forgiveness is my function as the light of the world. The light of the world brings peace to every mind through my forgiveness. Let me not forget my function. My only function is the one God gave me. My happiness and my function are one. Love created me like itself. Love holds no grievances. My grievances hide the light of the world in me. My salvation comes from me. Only God's plan for salvation will work. Holding grievances is an attack on God's plan for salvation. I will there be light. There is no will but God's. The light has come. I am under no laws but God's. I am entitled to miracles. Let miracles replace all grievances. Let me recognize the problem so it can be solved. Let me recognize my problems have been solved. Miracles are seen in light. Miracles are seen in light, and light and strength are one. Light and joy and peace abide in me. I am as God created me. I am one self, unified with my Creator. Salvation comes from my one self. I am Spirit. I will accept my part in God's plan for salvation. Salvation is my only function here. My part is essential to God's plan for salvation. God's will for me is perfect happiness. I share God's will for happiness for me. God, being love, is also happiness. I seek but what belongs to me in truth. God's peace and joy are mine. Let me be still and listen to the truth. Truth will correct all errors in my mind. To give and to receive are one in truth. I rest in God. I am as God created me. Forgiveness is the key to happiness. Forgiveness offers everything I want. I thank my Father for His gifts to me. Let me remember I am one with God. In quiet, I receive God's word today. All that I give is given to myself. There is no love but God's. The world I see holds nothing that I want. Beyond this world, there is a world I want. It is impossible to see two worlds. No one can fail who seeks to reach the truth. I loose the world from all I thought it was. I will not value what is valueless. Let me perceive forgiveness as it is. If I defend myself, I am attacked. Sickness is a defense against the truth. When I am healed, I am not healed alone.